you're a real estate agent and you found this video, you're in the right place, my friend. So allow me to introduce myself. Hi, my name's Laressa, and I'm your best friend. You don't need no one else on this platform. I'm your one-stop shop, I keep it real estate. Yeah, I got all the videos to show you what I know, cause I'm a Canva champion on this channel having fun. Now you know I got the vibe, so you better hit subscribe. Thank you. Hi friend, it's Laressa, aka La to the R-E-S-S-A, and welcome to my sliver of the internet in the YouTube universe. I'm a licensed real estate agent based in Alberta, Canada, proudly representing eXp Realty and Agent Wolfpack. And as your new internet bestie, I'm here to help you level up your real estate game. From Canva hacks, marketing, content creation, branding, and YouTube mastery, I've got you covered. I created this channel because I wanted to create a centralized hub and location for my fellow real estate brothers and sisters to come together to learn and to implement new and simple strategies into their businesses. And knowing that real estate agents are one of the busiest beings in the world, I also sell my Canva real estate templates on my Etsy shop that you can find over here to help you save some time and give you that content creation boost that you deserve. And if you are a real estate agent wanting to build, scale, and leverage your business specifically with YouTube and modern social media strategies, then listen up, because I am your girl and I want to partner with you. So scan this code over here to learn more about how to partner with me and how to work exclusively with me behind the scenes, because if you know, you know. And if you want to know, I can tell you. But until then, be sure to check out all of my free resources in the description box down below, and also find me on Instagram and connect with me over there. Send me a DM as to how you want to level up your real estate business and game. But until then, if you are still here, just know that I sincerely appreciate you being here, and I hope you enjoy your time here on my channel, and I hope to catch you in my next video or possibly in my Instagram comments or Instagram DM. So until then, take care, and I will see you over there. Peace.